Hi, Chocomin. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan mo, Chocomin. So, you're a singer, di ba? So, please tell us something about your genre or what type of music do you have?
I think based on what my manager say, it's like alternative music, but with a mix of pop. It's pop music na medyo alternative.
Tapos, pop music. So, for now, nakakailang single ka na ni-launch?
Actually, I just released my first ever single, Bilyaran.
Bilyaran?
Isa pa lang.
Bakit bilyaran? Parang pang lalaki yung bilyaran na. Please tell us something about Bilyaran.
Bilyaran is a song about a heartbreak, and it's like a song to describe the story behind the heartbreak. And
wow.
It happened sa Bilyaran.
Parang 17 years old ka lang, may heartbreak ka na ba? Hindi, ano lang yung inspiration of the song? Who composed the song?
I composed.
Wow! Paano ka nakapag-compose ng heartbreaks? Do you experience something? Or?
Small experiences.
Other? Or it's your experience? Or minsan kasi may mga ganyan na parang minsan nakita nila from yung mga friends niya, di ba? Parang ganon. Pero ikaw, what's behind that Bilyaran? Kumbaga, paano mo na-compose yung song?
It's actually based on my experience. Pero parang it's a song to... It was just a song to let out my anger and true feelings about a certain situation. Yun po, nagawa ko.
How long you'd been singing?
I've been singing since I was a kid po. And I've been composing since I was mga 8, 10.
Wow! Di, ang dami mo ng mga na-compose.
Ako, 30 plus.
Wow! Tapos isa pa lang yung nare-release mo nga yung Bilyaran. And when do you plan to share yung other mga lyrics or yung some of your composition?
Very soon po. Masashare ko na po yung other songs ko.
Tapos, siyempre pagka singer ka at pop singer ka at bagong singer ka, usually di ba? May mga idol ka or you want to collaborate soon. Sino yung mga gusto mong mga makasama if given a chance?
Top favorite artist ko ngayon, si Diva Doobie. She's an international artist. Filipino siya, pero she grew up in England, I think. Pero kung sa Philippines...
Local artist natin.
Local artist. I grew up listening to Eraserheads.
Eraserheads? Ano ba iba sa mga ng Eraserheads?
Nahirap po, medyo madami, pero I really like Tindahan ni Aling Nena.
Tapos, how about tawag dito yung gusto mo makaduet na yung mga ka-age mo ngayon, that especially siguro pag mga male singers or mga female, mga pop artists natin, di ba? Or kung sino na lang yung may choice ka, gusto mong kantahin yung kantang Bilyaran, sino yun?
At the moment, hindi ko pa po siya talaga naisip. Pero if I were to collab with a singer or a band, siguro po... Dati I really like Zild.
Sina?
Zild.
Mm-hmm.
Zild. And I really like Ben and Ben as well.
Talaga mga banda yung gusto mo, no? Yung mga solo artists hindi ka masyadong...
Ay, nakikinig naman po. Like si Kitchi Nadal.
Tapos, sabi nila pagka pagka singer, stepping stone na nila yun to become an actress, di ba? Ikaw ba may plans ka to, kumbaga jump or...
Actually, wala naman po akong plan, pero if the opportunity is there, I think I would take it. Pero as of the moment, wala ganon.
Do you have showbiz crush?
Wala po.
Biglang, wala po. Ang bilis ang sagot mo doon, ha? Hindi, gusto ko lang marinig of your, kahit yung chorus lang, ng Bilyaran, para naman medyo may magkaroon ng idea yung mga viewers kung how it is like, and your voice, of course.
Okay. It goes like, dun ka na, ilaro mo na siya sa Bilyaran.
Please invite them to listen to your music.
Hi everyone, my name is Eunice Rain, also known as Chocomint on TikTok, and I would appreciate it if you support my new single, Biliana. And that's all. Thank you.